more Italians say, oh, because I'm saying it, but hey, you just get one jars and you will start experiencing, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So now we're gonna go in with precision glues. I'm not gonna squeeze in, but if I need to squeeze out, I'm gonna squeeze that much. You see that, how much it is? It's tiny little, teeny little, not even a drop though, maybe one per thousands or whatever of drop. But I'm gonna seal on the top of the frame and the beads only. I do not seals on the top of the crystals. If you see you seal actually seal your crystals, when you take a picture you see your crystals look like it's glove, you know. So it's nice to have it seals on the beads frame, but we're gonna do it just right on the edges of the crystal, so keep it nice and shiny. I'm gonna seal this cute little pearls right here to protect and around the crystal. And then also now, if you feel like scratchy right here, you definitely want to do it more. Absolutely, yes, you can. Just key for quick 10-second fast key and then go back and seals it again. So then you won't have a troubleshooting like it just run everywhere, because it get too much precision glue gel. It can make it look lumpy after you cure. It's just running everywhere. So keep it nice and flawless. Cure first and then you can go back and then do it again. So after we are checking all the edges is good, it's still good, we are going to cure for 60 seconds.